Today, we will unbox a long-range UHF RFID smart handheld terminal for you, C80R. Let's take a look at the host. And we're also equipped with commonly used accessories. C80R adopts ergonomic design, comfortable grip, and not easy to fatigue after long-term use. It has both barcode and RFID functions to meet the needs of users in different scenarios. Professional brand scanning engine easily handles 1D, 2D QCs of different sizes and types on various materials. The industry-leading long-range UHF RFID function integrates the MPG E710 chip, has a text search function, and can batch read RFID tags over 15 meters, helping customers to perform fast and accurate inventory work. If you are interested in this long-range UHF RFID smart handheld terminal or have any questions, please feel free to contact us.